The Member of Parliament who rose to make her submissions shortly after the bill was presented by the Honourable Minister of Home Affairs, BENN, maintained that the bill cannot be passed in its current form, based on a number of loopholes which exist. Desir pointed to one of the clauses found in the bill, which speaks to the right of parents to choose any surname they so desire for their child at the time of birth. This, she noted, could very well bring about conflicts.
The reality is, Mr. Speaker, that in our society, in our culture, a surname plays an important part in securing a person in their identity, in their sense of belonging, Mr. Speaker. And therefore, we cannot approach it in a cavalier manner.
Desir called on Guyanese to take notice of the bill, which, she says, seeks to create subterfuge.
I reiterate our support for a registration system that is simple and that is easy, but we cannot condone one that will give rise or could give rise to mischief, sir.
Meanwhile, leader of the Alliance for Change, Kemraj Ramjatan, during his submission on the bill, questioned the rationale behind seeking to change the old age tradition of the child carrying the surname of the father, as he speculated that the bill might be mischievous in nature. The Minister of Governance and Parliamentary Affairs, GAIL TEIXEIRA, submitted that some women only have one name, and in cases where the father does not sign for the child or refuses paternal rights, the bill in its current state would allow the parent to choose any surname they may wish for that infant.
And those that have one name, which are majority women, this allows the woman to put her surname to the name of the child. This is the 21st century. We can't go around the world with one name.
Concluding the debate on the bill was the Minister of Home Affairs, ROBESON BENN, who posited that persons are racially profiled according to their names in the 21st century on these soils, and that shouldn't be. He asserted that the concerns raised by his colleagues on the other side of the House, that the bill seeks to create mischief, should be put to rest.
And the suggestions, high-flung and high-sounded as they are, have nothing to do with what the intent and purposes are here in respect of these bills.
The bill was subsequently passed by the majority of the National Assembly.
Now put the question that the bill be read a second time. Those in favor say aye. Those against say no. The ayes have it. Let the bill be read a second time.
During the morning session of the Assembly, debates surrounded the adoption of Children Amendment Bill 2021. Wendell Badrie for the HGB Nightly News.